In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for 24-volt and 40-volt battery-operated, attachment-capable, straight shaft string trimmers. Be advised your unit may look slightly different, however these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools required. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. Carefully lift the string trimmer shafts out of the box and set them on a level surface. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Attach the guard. There is an Allen key taped on the inside of the trimmer guard. This can be removed and set aside for later. Align the screws on the guard with the holes on the base of the trimmer. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the screws to secure the guard. Assemble the shaft. There is a protective cover on the end of the shaft that must be removed prior to assembly. Loosen the knob on the coupler. Align the release button with the positioning hole and slide the two shafts together until the button engages with the positioning hole. Tighten the knob on the coupler. Verify all bolts on the coupler are tight. Attach the auxiliary handle. Remove the pre-installed screws from the handle using a Phillips head screwdriver. Place the main handle on the shaft. Place the side handle on top of the main handle. When operating, the bar should be pointing left. Be advised your unit may not come with a side handle. Place the clamp on the back side of the shaft, aligning the screw holes. Reinstall the two bolts and tighten. Attach the shoulder strap to the ring on the shaft. Remove the tape from the cutting line and cutoff blade. Battery and charger. This step does not apply to corded models. If you purchased a complete kit with battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.